News Health Alert. State health officials have just given us an update on the growing number of pertussis cases in the state. As of today, there have been 81 confirmed cases, also known as whooping cough. The Upstate is leading the way in cases with 58 so far this year. State health officials say last year they had a total of 77 cases, and they're now urging everyone to get vaccinated against the contagious disease. There are two vaccines that prevent it. One is for babies and young children, the other for older children and adults.